If you like the video, please subscribe Technical PCT channel and click the bell icon to get the latest videos.
This network. I'm very sorry to be late. Yes. And yesterday we have done the problems based on solving the linear equations, right, of 2 by 2 matrix. That means we went through the problems of 2 equations. Today I am going to discuss the problems which are 3 by 3 matrix. That means 3 linear equations. What I mean to say it is, today we are going to discuss how to solve these 3 equations by using matrix method. Now, one problem is waiting for you. Write down that problem. Solve the equations by using matrix method. Write down the first problem. 3x minus 2y plus 3z is equals to 8. 2x plus y minus z is equals to 1. 4x minus 3y plus 2z is equals to 4. These are the 3 equations given to you, right? Now, what to do? You just write down. First of all, I will tell the algorithm how to do this problem. The students, because this is a classroom, I think more than 600, 700 students are going to come, right? So, first of all, I will tell you the algorithm how to do the problem. The students who are able, that means who can able to do the problem, can continue. There is no need to wait. Here, first of all, write down these three equations in the matrix form. After writing this in the matrix form, capital A, x is equals to B. X is equals to A inverse into B. To find A inverse, det A should not be equals to 0. So, initially, find out det A value. If it is not equals to 0, then proceed for A inverse. What is A inverse? In the previous sessions, we found A inverse by using cofactor of each and every element. Okay, you should find out cofactor of each and every element in the given matrix, right? In the given coefficient matrix. After that, find out adjoint A. Adjoint A is nothing but cofactor matrix transpose. After finding of cofactor matrix transpose, you are going to get adjoint A. After that, A inverse is equals to adjoint A by det A. After getting of A inverse, x is equals to A inverse into B. Let me proceed in the same way, right? That means, first of all, I am writing this. Observe this one keenly. I am going to repeat this one 2 times, right? Writing in matrix form. Okay, 3 minus 2, 3, okay, and 2, 1 minus 1, 4 minus 3, 2. X, Y, Z is equals to 8, 1, 4. Now, observe this. I have written the 3 equations in the matrix form, right? After that, this is capital A, this is x is equals to B. What does it mean? A x is equals to B means x is equal to A inverse into B. I want to find out A inverse. To get A inverse, you just find out det A initially. Det A is equals to, observe this, 3 into AD minus BC. That means 2 minus of 3, right? Minus 2 into, I think you can find out det A easily. Okay, after that, observe, minus 2 into 4. Okay, minus of minus, it becomes 4 again, plus 3 into, just observe, it is minus 6. Okay, minus 4. Now simplify that and you are going to get det A value. If it is not equals to 0, if det A value not equals to 0, then A inverse exists. How to find out A inverse? Initially, find out cofactor of that element 3, which is equal to A11, right? I think you know how to find out the cofactor of this one by using positive, negative, positive signs like that. Okay, in the previous sessions I taught. So this is positive of, right? You are going to get, shall I write directly? Observe that one. Cofactor, what is delta you are going to get, observe. You find out the delta of that one. Find out the delta of that one, observe. Observe the determinant, how much you are going to get. Observe that one and copy up to here. I think, observe here, I think you should get minus 17, which is not equals to 0, right? Right? So, find out the cofactor of 3 here. Cofactor of 3 is equal to positive of, which is nothing but A11, right? And this one you are going to get 1, it is minus 1. Okay. Cofactor of minus 2, that is first row I am going to discuss, first row. Okay. Cofactor of minus 2 is equals to, observe how much you are going to get. Minus 2, it is minus 8, right? Cofactor of minus 10, cofactor of 3 is equals to, observe that one, you are going to get minus 10, it is positive, okay? So, the first row cofactors we have completed. Now, cofactor of the second row elements, which is equals to negative of, I think you know, you take the signs here, called positive, negative, positive, and here negative, positive, negative, and here positive, negative, and positive, right? I think you know this one because you have done these problems in your previous sessions, more than 5 or 6 problems, right? Now observe, cofactor of that 2 is equal to, you are going to get minus 5, right? Cofactor of that 1 is equals to, observe that one, cofactor of that 1, the second element, which is equals to minus 6. Cofactor of that minus 1 will become, observe, cofactor of minus 1 becomes, it is 1, I think, right? And cofactor of the last row 4 is equals to, observe that one, it is positive, positive of, okay, minus 2 into minus 1, it is 2, 2 minus 3 value, it is negative 1. So it is minus 1, am I right? And cofactor of minus 3 value, it is cofactor of minus 3, you are going to get 9, observe it. Okay, minus of minus 9, it is positive 9. Okay, now cofactor of 2, which is equals to, cofactor of 2, you should get 3 minus of minus 4, which is equals to 7. Okay, I think you understood these cofactors, right? Now, what is cofactor matrix? Cofactor matrix of this one becomes minus 1, minus 8, minus 10, okay, minus 5, minus 6, 1, and minus 1, 9, 7. Therefore, observe here, therefore, adjoint A is equal to cofactor matrix transpose, which is nothing but, you just find out the transpose of this one, it is minus 1, minus 8, minus 10, okay, minus 5, minus 6, 1, minus 1, 9, 7. Right? I hope you understood this point. Okay, now you got adjoint A. After finding of adjoint A, you find out A inverse, okay, is equals to adjoint A by det A value, which is equals to by det A, which is equals to 1 upon minus 17 into delta. See, adjoint A value it is minus 1, minus 1, minus 5, minus 1 again, minus 1 again, and it is minus 5, minus 6, 1, and it is, observe, minus 10, 1, and 7. Okay, you got adjoint A by det A. After that, what to do? See here, we found up to A inverse. After finding of A inverse, just you should find out the value of capital X, which is nothing but the variable matrix, right? So capital X is equals to A inverse into this constant matrix. What is that A inverse? You got this one. Therefore, capital X is equal to A inverse into B. You just copy up to this point. Afterwards, I will discuss the remaining part. Right? Do start doing fast, please. I am going to the chat box. You just share your comments. That means if there is any doubt, you can ask. Observe. I hope you understood this one. If anybody are feeling slow, okay, you can do that problem as fast as possible. Yes, I am observing. Yes. Okay. Yes, very good. What I mean to say it is you should be very fast in this one. I request you to be fast, right? Observe here. And I am observing in the chat box that to to do this problem again and again, but I am going to explain it. Observe. First of all, write down the matrix. Write down the equations in the matrix form. Okay. First, write down. I am writing these three equations in the matrix form. Right. After that, A, this is coefficient matrix into variable matrix is equals to constant matrix. Ax is equal to B implies x is equal to A inverse into B. First of all, check whether A inverse exists or not. To check whether A inverse exists or not, find out det A. I think you know how to find out det A, right? Det A value here it is, you got minus 17, which is not equals to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. To get A inverse, you should find out adjoint A initially. To find out adjoint A, I am repeating this one again and again. Observe. Okay. To find out adjoint A, you should find out cofactor of each and every element in the given matrix. So I am finding this cofactor of 3. First of all, while I think you were absent for the previous sessions, that's why I am requesting you people to be regular to the classroom, right? So cofactor of 3 is equals to positive sign is there, right? That is actually minus 1 to the power of I plus j into minor of that element. Instead of doing that entire, you can follow this method. Positive of, right? Positive of excluding the first column and the first row, you are going to get, observe here, you are going to get these 4 elements, right? 1 into 2, it is 2 minus of 3 ones 3. 2 minus 3 value is equals to minus 1. Positive of minus 1 becomes minus 1. I hope you understood how to find out cofactor, right? Now I am going to repeat the second element. Okay, for the second element, it is minus 2. Cofactor of minus 2 is equals to, see, negative of, okay, negative of, excluding the second column and the first row, you are going to get 2 2s 4, right? Minus of minus, okay, plus 4. So 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, but you are having negative sign here, so it is minus 8. Now cofactor of 3 is equals to, the sign it is positive we took here, right? Positive of excluding the first row and the third column, you are going to get 2 into minus 3, it is minus 6, minus 4. Minus 6 minus 4 is equals to minus 10. Similarly, you should find out cofactor of each and every element in the given coefficient matrix. After getting of cofactor matrix, okay, these are first row elements, those are second row, and those elements are the third row, right? After finding of cofactor matrix, right? Adjoint A is equal to cofactor matrix transpose. Okay, so you just find out the transpose of this matrix. We are going to get this. After getting of this one, I think the formula is known to you called A inverse is equal to adjoint A by dta. So this is adjoint A, right? This is adjoint A. Observe here, minus 1, I am repeating. Observe here, minus 1, it is gone. Minus 1, minus 5, minus 1 here. And here it is 8. Okay. This is minus 8, and this is minus 6, and this is 9, and minus 10, 1, 7. Now, x is equal to A inverse into B. Just multiply that one, you are going to get capital X. Copy this one up to here, afterwards I will do. You should be very careful while writing here. Just I went through somewhat here, observe. Yeah, I wrote the same thing, right? You should not copy this one, you should copy this one, right? Take down. X is equal to A inverse into B. Shall I rub that side? Yes, I'll observe x is equal to A inverse into B. What is A inverse you got? Minus 1 by 17 into, okay, minus 1, minus 5, minus 1, okay. Now, minus 8, minus 6, 9, okay, minus 10, 1, 7 into, what about B? What is the coefficient matrix? Observe. I think the coefficient matrix is 8, 1, the constant matrix is 8, 1, 4. You multiply with this one, you are going to get the answer. Yes, multiply this one. I think you know the multiplication. Multiply this one and you are going to get the answer. Okay. Take down. And you should get, this is nothing but 1, 2 and 3. So small x is equals to 1, y is equal to 2 and z is equals to 3. Just observe and for verification, you just substitute those three values, right? Those three values in the given equations. If those equations are satisfied, then our answer is correct. Yes. Copy that one. Within the time you copy this one, I am going to repeat. It may be 2 by 2 or 3 by 3. That means consist of two equations and concept. Don't remember the problem, right? First one. The first step you should do it is write the linear equations in matrix form. After writing in the matrix form, okay, coefficient matrix into variable matrix is equals to constant matrix. Means you should find out x, which is called variable matrix, that is equals to A inverse into B. To find A inverse, initially you should find out det A. After det A, if it is not equals to 0, then A inverse exists. If it is equals to 0, A is a singular matrix, A inverse does not exist, and you can stop the problem up to there. And next one, here, A inverse is, that A value is equals to minus 17, which is not equals to 0. Therefore, we went through the cofactor to find out adjoint A. To find out adjoint A, you should find out each and every element's cofactor. So I found the cofactor of each and every element in the coefficient matrix. Then I got cofactor matrix like this. After that, adjoint A should be equals to cofactor matrix transpose, right? So I have transposed this one and I got this. And afterwards, A inverse is equals to adjoint A by det here, which is equals to 1 by minus 17 into this, right? So after getting of A inverse, our aim is to solve the problem is to find out small x, y, z, right? So for that sake, you should do capital X is equals to is a matrix. Okay, capital X is equal to A inverse into B. So A inverse into B, you are going to get, see here, capital X is nothing but A inverse into B. Therefore, it is A inverse value. That means if I multiply, I am going to get 1, 2, 3 as small x, y, z values. You just verify whether your answer is correct or not after completion, as this is 5 marks question in your PU exam, right? So it is better to verify by substituting those three values in your three equations, right? If those three values satisfies your equations, then your answer is correct. So this is the process to find out or to solve the linear equations. I am going to the second problem. You just copy that one and start doing. And the students who have not understood this one and listen it again. Okay. So, write down the next problem. Solve the equations by using matrix method. Solve the equations by using matrix method. Write down the equations. X minus y plus z is equals to 4. 2x plus y minus 3z is equals to 0. Right? Another one, x plus y plus z is equals to 2. I am going to repeat these three equations. Observe them carefully. X minus y plus z is equals to 4. 2x plus y minus 3z is equals to 0. X plus y plus z is equals to 2. Yes? First of all, write down that one in the matrix form. Write that one in the matrix form. Okay, I hope you wrote the question, right? Now, start doing the problem. Writing in the matrix form. Okay, shall I write directly? 1 minus 1, 1, okay? 2, 1 minus 3, okay? 1, 1, 1 into x, y, z is equals to 4, 0, 2. Now, write down this one as capital A, x is equals to b, x is equal to A inverse into b. Find out data, okay? Find out data, 1 into 1 minus of minus 3 is equal to 3, minus of minus 1 is equal to positive 1, and 2 plus 3 you are going to get, right? Now, plus 1 into 2 minus 1, right? And find out the determinant here after finding data and find out cofactor of each and every element. Find out cofactor of each and every element. You just check whether it is equals to 0 or not. Do parallel to me, please. Start doing. Otherwise, it takes time. I think that the determinant, that means data value is equals to 10, right? Which is not equals to 0. Okay. Data is equals to 10, which is not equals to 0. Therefore, you should write A inverse exists. Am I right? After that, find out each and every cofactor. Now, the students who have not understood the previous problem, finding cofactors, can listen, right? First of all, while finding cofactor of this first element is said to be A11. You can also write like this. Cofactor of A11 is nothing but cofactor of that one, the first element, which is equals to positive of. Okay, observe here. I am going to tell only one thing. See, excluding this column and this row, you are going to get these 4 elements, right? To find the students who knows how to do the problem can do. The students who have not understood, just listen it carefully. You can understand by taking 3 values, right? Now, cofactor of this one, A11 is equals to positive, okay? Excluding this column and this row, you will have these 4 elements. Find the determinant of that A, B, C, D. So it becomes AD minus BC. This value is 1, right? Minus of minus 3, it becomes 4, right? So it is positive 4. Now, cofactor of that second element minus 1 is equal to A12, which is nothing but first row, second column. right? It is negative of, have understood now? Now, excluding this column and this row, you will have these four elements, right? So, find out the determinant of these four elements, A, B, C, D, like AD minus BC. 2 minus of minus 3, which is equals to 5. So, negative 5 already here. A13, that is cofactor of this element, positive, negative and positive here. Now exclude the first row and the third column. First row and the third column, you will have those four elements. Find out the determinant of those four elements. AD 2 minus BC, it is equals to 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, right? So 1. Now you got the first row elements. I hope you understood, all of you. Shall I do that one next elements directly? Now, cofactor of A to 1, that is the cofactor of 2 becomes 2 here. Cofactor of A to 2, which is equals to, you are going to get 0 here, and cofactor of A to 3, second row, third column, that means this one becomes, observe, excluding this column and this row, you will have 1 minus of minus 1. It is 2, but you are going to get negative, so it is minus 2. Right? Observe here, negative, positive, and negative. So you are going to get negative 2, which is nothing but minus 2. And cofactor of the last row element, it is A31, third row, first column, which is equals to, observe here, again, positive, negative, positive. I hope you understood why, because we have done these cofactors in your 4.5 and 4.4 exercises, right? Now, which is equals to, the cofactor of that element becomes 2, okay, A32, which is equals to 5, and A33, which is equals to 3. Now, write down the cofactor matrix of the matrix capital A, that is nothing but, observe here, 4 minus 5, 1. These are first row elements, right? And 2, 0, minus 2, right? And 2, 5, 3, right? Now you got cofactor matrix, and okay. Now you should find out adjoint A. Therefore, you can write adjoint A is equals to cofactor matrix transpose. So shall I write directly? Why? Because you have already written. Now 4, okay, minus 5, 1, 2, 0, minus 2, and 2, 5, 3. Am I right? Now you got adjoint A, okay. Now you find out A inverse. A inverse is equal to adjoint A by det A, which is nothing but 1 upon 10. See, the determinant value is 10. So 1 upon 10 into adjoint A value is equal to 422 minus 505, 1 minus 23. Now, a copy up to here. After that, we can find out X is equal to A inverse into B. Copy this one, please. Copy this one. Yes, here we are observing this chat box. In that one, I am requesting you people, please don't misuse it, right? Please don't misuse it. Observe that A23 value, that means coefficient, that means one student asked me to find out A23. Observe A23 here. Okay. Now, here it is negative sign. Okay. Negative of, I am writing here, negative of. Okay. You just exclude this column, this row, and this column. You are going to get, observe here, you are going to get, observe, excluding this column and this row, you are going to get these four elements. Now you are going to get minus 3, okay, minus 3, minus 2. It is minus 5. So minus of minus 5 value is equals to 5 you should get. Observe. We found A23, na? Okay, A23 you want. Which one? Which one he asked? A23. Second row, third column, this one, minus 3. I found A32, I think. Now I want to find out the cofactor of this one. Observe. A23 or A, observe here. A23 value. Here it is negative. Okay. Now exclude this column and this row. Okay. You are going to get 1. Okay. Minus of minus, which is equals to positive. So 2. It is minus 2. I hope you understood this. I hope you understood that. You should be very careful while writing the sign, or else I am insisting you to follow the method like A11 is equals to minus 1 to the power of I plus j into M11. Even you can follow that method also, but it takes somewhat lengthy. A11 can also be written as minus 1 to the power of I plus j. Already we have done so many problems in the previous session. Observe. Please revise them. And now I am going to run this part. Yes, x is equals to A inverse, you got it as 1 by 10, right? Into 4, 2, 2, okay? Minus 5, 0, 5, 1, minus 2, 3 into, okay? What are the coefficient? What it is? Constant matrix given 4, 0, 2, I think, right? Multiply them, multiply this one, you are going to get the answer. 16 plus 0 plus 4 is equals to 20, right? Minus 20 plus 0 plus 10 is equals to minus 10, right? So 4 plus 0 plus 6 is equals to 10. That means you should get small x value is equals to 2, y value is equals to minus 1, z value is equals to 1. And substitute these three in the given equations, you are going to get the answer. And that means verify them, please. So, with this, tomorrow, that means this is the method of solving. Yeah, some problems are there in NCERT. Tomorrow I am going to upload them. Okay. After writing them for practice, tomorrow I am going to start the consistency rule by taking 2 linear equations or 3 linear equations. Okay. And please, I am requesting you to inform even your friends to be regular to this classroom, and such that you can't, that means the impact of today's class will be on tomorrow. So that means there may be no problem to you for tomorrow's classroom. Otherwise, you can't understand it properly, right? All the best and have a nice day.